The Appalachian Mountains of the eastern U.S. are home to some amazing back roads. Today we're driving Georgia 19, which ascends Blood Mountain. After each drive, we give the road a score. Join us on our mission to find the best back road. After each drive, we give the road a score and compare it to other roads we've driven. 2 lanes, ease overtaking. Cyclists can be numerous, 9 of 10. The pavement is excellent, unbroken, grippy and smooth. Pull-offs are numerous, 9 of 10. The road is tree-lined and picturesque. Blood Mountain Overlook is a short but steep hike away, 7 of 10. Tight second and third gear turns are found near the summit on the south side, 6 of 10. The road consists of sweeping climbs with 2 lanes that flow perfectly, 9 of 10. Blood Mountain is iconic and should be near the top of your list, 9 of 10. Georgia 19 ties North Carolina 215 as the best road we've driven to date. Stay tuned for our next drive. Thanks for watching.